Yeah, triangle for up, square for down. Hello everyone, welcome to the most ridiculous hairstyle that has ever featured on Supercars in London. I'm down at Silverstone, what is going to be a pretty incredible first for me. Not only do I get to drive the new 2017 Nissan GTR, but I also get to drive the Nismo 2017 Nissan GTR. I've not driven either of those cars, and I'm going to be shooting separate videos on my experiences of firstly getting behind the wheel of a Nissan GTR, and then I'm going to be talking about whether one of them would look at home on my YouTube channel. But first, Nissan UK have invited us down here to test something pretty incredible, something that I think only dreams are made of, but in fact it is now a reality. They have created a Nissan GTR-C. It is a full-size Nissan GTR created to become a remote control car that you control with a PlayStation controller. Pretty ridiculous. I don't really know how it's going to go, but apparently I am allowed to take the wheel or the controller of this car. What I am going to do is try and bring in the expert that has created this beast so that you guys can get a little bit more information on this car or toy. I don't really know what to call it. Is it a car? Is it a toy? Anyway, it is number one at the top of my Christmas list. So it's a standard GTR.
Standard GTR. All everything's been put into it.
Not been detuned.
Not been. No, it's top
so it's
speed,
got all of the power.
top speed, 196 miles an hour. Yeah.
From a PlayStation.
196 miles an hour. This does.
Yeah.
You're joking.
Probably quicker because there's no one in it.
Wait.
A bit lighter.
Yeah, no, well.
Wait, the ones that we drive, do they go that fast?
Yeah.
How do things go that fast? Surely that's like plane speed.
So there's your controller.
So I have to sit in.
Yeah.
You just run through them.
Do you want to sit in?
And I drive the cash car.
Hang on. Brakes are on that side.
Yeah.
So Brett's brakes fully applied. Remember, when you let go, the brakes come off, just like your car.
That's
Yes.
accelerator.
Go gently. It's a GTR.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you'll soon know about it.
Oh man.
It's quite a view, isn't it? Right. Okay.
This.
Fine. So left finger on the brakes and hold them on. Come out of blue. Okay. Press up. Now, just to be sure, press back. Keep on the brakes. Press backwards to make sure we get reverse. Okay. Right.
Are we
Go
good
on
to
for
go?
brakes, you're rolling.
Oh.
Gentle down with the gas. Right, that's enough. Gently.
Oh my god.
Gently. Now get your left in. It's going to be twitchy. Do a gentle lap, then build it up. Otherwise, you'll be wiggling and it'll look shit. Gently. Nice job. Quick gas. We're turning left just after the curve on the left, just coming up. Yeah, you've got
Yeah, the brakes are. So left here?
Yep. Follow it round left and back into the lap. I suggest we do 2 or 3 of those gently to get your eye in.
This is just the weirdest thing I've ever done. I'm in a car behind, but controlling the car in front with a PlayStation controller. Oh my god, this is so mental.
Right, if you come around the bottom, off the gas, and there's a blue gate between 2 cones. See if you can manage to thread the needle.
Where's the blue gate?
Turn left. Right, there's 2 blue.
Oh, there we go,
Thread
got
the
it.
needle. Get it through there. Then hard left back on the course. Gently,
Left.
don't go on the grass. Stop and hold, we'll talk you through it. Rob,
Okay.
can you explain?
Yeah, what do you see the green cone?
Yep.
Assume that is the back wall of a garage. So what we're going to need you to
Okay.
do is
Hold your brakes, or
pull
should we
round to the left, and then we'll maintain this position here. So your perspective's going to change, and then you reverse. So your rear bumper just kisses that green cone.
Right.
So you go between the 2 blues at the front of the garage, effectively,
Yeah.
and reverse up to the green.
Right.
And we'll maintain position.
So
Okay.
turn hard left, creep it forwards. There you go. Gently. Get her in the parking space.
Awesome.
Oh,
he's done it
he's done
anyway.
it.
Yes.
Right, okay. So gently bring it out forwards. Take it back up on the track and stop it on the yellow line.
Where's the yellow line?
Back up
Between the 2 yellow cones up there. 1 second.
Point to stop it on the line. You press the blue button in the middle. Thank you very much.
Yes!
That was a top job.
John,
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Blue.
I'm good at the PlayStation. No,
Okay,
that was
James, we're good to go for driver change.
Proper good job.
Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
really good.
Thank you.
Really good job, boy.
Hands down, weirdest experience I've ever had. Because I wasn't technically behind the wheel of the car, I was behind the car with a controller. But overall completely surreal, and if there was 2 people that were going to come together to create this, it was always going to be Nissan and PlayStation. And collectively, with the GTR off on its... there's no one in that car. By far the weirdest thing I've ever done. By far the weirdest thing I've ever done. So now I'm just going to soak up the atmosphere, try and capture as much more of the day as possible. Obviously drive a Nissan GTR from the driver's seat with a steering wheel and go for the Nismo 2017 GTR as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short, sweet, weird video about a remote control Nissan GTR. But that is it. That is my drive.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi. Các bạn hãy bấm like, comment và hãy bấm nút đăng ký để ủng hộ cho kênh mình nha.